Combining trend lines with Fibonacci levels in TradingView can be a powerful approach for refining your technical analysis. By layering these tools, you can gain a clearer understanding of potential support and resistance zones and anticipate price reversals with greater confidence. First, when drawing a trend line, it's essential to identify two or more key swing points. Ideally, these should be either consistent highs or consistent lows, forming a line that clearly defines the trend's direction. Whether it's an upward or downward slope, the trend line gives us the general trajectory of price movement, showing where buying or selling momentum has consistently been tested. Now, adding Fibonacci levels brings another dimension to your analysis. When you apply a Fibonacci retracement, you're mapping potential areas where the price may pull back before continuing along the trend. To do this effectively, start by placing the Fibonacci tool at a recent swing high or recent swing low, depending on the direction of the trend. This plots the key retracement levels, typically the 38.2, 50, and 61.8% levels are the ones traders focus on the most. The power comes in when you see these Fibonacci levels aligning with the trend line you've drawn. When a retracement level coincides with a trend line, it forms a more robust area of confluence. These points are crucial because they often indicate areas where market sentiment may pivot, acting as a strong support in an uptrend or a potential resistance in a downtrend. If price tests these zones and respects them, it can be a reliable signal for entering a trade or even adding to an existing position. A lot of traders also like to watch how the price behaves when it approaches these confluence zones. For instance, if price nears a trend line and one of the major Fibonacci levels simultaneously, and then shows signs of reversal, like a candlestick pattern or decreasing volume, it can suggest that the retracement is ending and the trend is about to resume. This can help you time your entries more effectively and reduce exposure to risk. Another technique is to use a secondary trend line to highlight potential breakout scenarios. When the price consolidates near a Fibonacci level while respecting the trend line and eventually breaks out of this secondary trend line, it often results in significant price movement. This is a moment where you may want to take advantage of the price momentum. Combining trend lines and Fibonacci levels gives you both a price target and valuable context, helping you understand how the market views key levels. This layered approach improves your decision-making by validating setups and focusing on higher probability opportunities.